There's one tiny camera feature that most beginners ignore, but once you start using it, your photos and your confidence will skyrocket. It's simple, it's hidden in plain sight, and it's about to change the way you shoot forever. By the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. When I got my first DSLR, I often missed getting shots, blurry subjects, bad timing, or the camera focusing on the wrong thing. I'd half depress the shutter, recompose, and the focus would shift to the background. Really frustrating. Then I discovered back button focus. At first it felt a bit techie, but after an afternoon of practicing, something clicked. See what I did there? Anyway, it felt like I was finally in control of my camera. And by the way, if you're finding this useful, grab my photography ebook. It covers the essentials and it's yours for free when you sign up to my monthly newsletter. The link is right below for you. So if you've ever felt like your camera is working against you, back button focus could well be the feature that turns things around. So let's see how it all works. By default, your camera combines two actions into one button. Hard press to focus, full press to shoot. It sounds simple, but it can cause problems, like when you recompose and the camera refocuses on something else. Now just to clarify, back button focus works on both DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, but it really shines on DSLRs, where the shutter button always triggers the focusing. Mirrorless cameras have more advanced autofocus options like eye detection, touch focus, and face tracking. But even then, back button focus gives you greater control, especially for portraits and action. Back button focus splits those two functions. You use your thumb using a button labeled AF on or AEL to focus, then the shutter button only takes the shot. Canon, custom functions, shutter, AE lock button, metering start, AF on. Nikon, custom settings, AF activation, AF on only. Sony, custom key settings, assign AF on, disable focus from shutter button. The actual setup will vary slightly from camera to camera, so you may have to consult the user manual. Back button focus is great. In portraits, I lock focus on the eyes and recompose. No more worrying if I've nailed the focus or not. With street photography, it allows you to be quick and reactive with the confidence that you've always got the shot. And for action or wildlife, it's a lifesaver when you have a moving subject. So let's sum this up. With back button focus, you're actually able to shoot faster. You gain more control over your camera. I certainly found that I got a lot less frustrated, which also meant I didn't miss as many shots. And all in all, I get better results. It sort of turns your camera into an extension of you. Just focus, compose, and shoot. You'll be amazed how quickly it becomes second nature. Okay, if you're still with me, you're obviously serious about improving your photography. So if you want to take this even further, why not combine back button focus with your camera's custom shooting modes? Most cameras let you save a whole setup to a dial position called C1, C2, or user settings. This means you can create dedicated profiles for different types of shooting. For example, I have one custom mode set for portraits with a wide aperture, single shot mode, and ISO 100. You can set another mode for action with a fast shutter, continuous drive, continuous autofocus, and of course with back button focus all ready to go. This means that you can switch modes and your setup, including back button focus, stays exactly how you'd like it. No need to dive into menus, just turn the dial and you're ready for a completely different shooting scenario. So this combination gives you speed, consistency, and the confidence to switch between settings without missing a beat. So if you want to feel like your camera is truly working for you, not against you, this is the way to go. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button. I've got plenty more tips to help with your photography, like this one. And if you tried back button focus yet, drop me a comment below. Let me know how it went, or even if you're trying it for the first time. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.